Snow falls quietly, gentle and weightless. The world seems calm, harmless, and still. Yet beneath that white surface, entire mountains seem to hold their breath, waiting for something to happen. Because sometimes that silence breaks and the mountain itself begins to move. What turns a peaceful snowfall into a roaring river of destruction? Why do avalanches happen? We think avalanches strike without warning, but nature rarely acts without reason. Every avalanche begins long before we ever see it, hidden inside the quiet architecture of snow. Each layer tells a story of storms and winds, of melting days and freezing nights. Some layers bond tightly like bricks in a wall, others stay weak and fragile, like glass under pressure. As the weight grows heavier, pressure builds below. It might take just one step, a thunderclap, or even the warmth of the sun to push the balance too far. And then, motion begins. A crack slices through the snowpack like lightning through the ground. In seconds, tons of snow break free and rush downhill faster than a speeding car. The mountain is alive with motion. But here's the strange part. It isn't just snow anymore. As the avalanche rushes downward, it traps air and shatters ice into dust, forming a roaring cloud that can move faster than 300 kilometers per hour. Scientists found that this air-snow mix behaves like a fluid, dense enough to crush trees, yet light enough to glide over rocks. It is both solid and gas, chaos and structure, a living flow of physics. Every avalanche is a balance between gravity's pull and nature's resistance. And though they destroy, they also renew. They feed glaciers, shape valleys, and spread life back into the mountains. Even calm beauty hides tension. Balance is never still. The mountain's silence is not empty, but full of waiting energy. The world hides its biggest stories in silence. If this one sparked your curiosity, like the video, share it with someone who loves science. Comment on what mystery you'd like next, and subscribe for more wonders waiting to be explored. Because sometimes, the smallest snowflake begins the greatest story.